Our planet is a world of water. The oceans, vast and powerful, cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. They contain an immense and largely untapped source of energy, the ceaseless motion of the waves. This natural force, powered by wind and sun, has the potential to revolutionize the way we power our world. Imagine a future where clean, renewable energy is generated not from fossil fuels, but from the rhythmic pulse of the sea itself. For centuries, we've harnessed the power of water for mills and hydroelectric dams. Today, we're at the dawn of a new era, where we can tap into the kinetic energy of ocean waves. This clean, inexhaustible energy could supply a significant proportion of the world's electricity needs. It's a future worth fighting for, a future where we live in harmony with our planet, drawing on its natural resources in a sustainable way. How do you capture this immense power? Scientists and engineers have developed ingenious technologies to convert the kinetic energy of waves into usable electricity. Imagine a series of anchored floats, rising and falling with the rhythm of the waves. These movements drive hydraulic pumps, generating pressure that turns turbines and produces electricity. Another method uses oscillating water columns. When waves crash into a chamber, they force air through a turbine at the top. This turbine, similar to those used in wind power, generates clean electricity. Some systems are even integrated into coastal infrastructures such as breakwaters and jetties. These systems use the rise and fall of waves against the structure to drive turbines. Imagine a harbor wall that not only protects the coastline, but also generates energy from the waves it deflects. Wave energy is still in its infancy. However, significant progress has been made in recent years. In 2023 alone, more than 2 megawatts of wave energy capacity were installed worldwide. This may seem low compared with other renewable energies, but it represents an upward trend. Between 2010 and 2020, Europe installed 12 megawatts of wave energy capacity, demonstrating the continent's commitment to this emerging technology. Today, more than 50 wave energy projects are underway around the world, from the rough waters of the North Sea to the powerful swells of the Pacific Ocean. These projects vary in size and technology, but they all share a common goal: to unleash the potential of wave energy and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Section 4. Europe's leading role in wave energy. Europe has established itself as a world leader in the development of wave energy. Countries like Portugal and Scotland, with their long coastlines and abundant wave resources, are at the forefront of this movement. Portugal has the world's first commercial wave farm, located off the coast of Aguchadura. This pioneering project, comprising 3 Pelamis wave energy converters, has demonstrated the feasibility of harnessing wave energy on a commercial scale. Scotland, with its world-renowned expertise in offshore engineering, is another hotbed of innovation in wave energy. The European Marine Energy Centre, EMEC, in Orkney, serves as a testbed for new wave and tidal energy technologies. Companies from all over the world come to EMEC to test their devices in real ocean conditions. Section 5. A sea of benefits. Why wave energy matters. The advantages of wave energy are numerous. Firstly, it's a clean, renewable energy source. Unlike fossil fuels, wave energy does not emit harmful greenhouse gases, making it a key player in the fight against climate change. Secondly, wave energy is inexhaustible. Ocean waves are a constant, fueled by wind and sun. This makes wave energy a reliable and predictable source of energy, unlike solar or wind power, which depend on weather conditions. Thirdly, wave energy has the potential to make a significant contribution to the world's energy needs. Studies have shown that wave energy could supply up to 10% of the world's electricity. Finally, wave energy projects can bring economic benefits to coastal communities, creating jobs and stimulating local economies. Section 6. Meeting the challenges of a new frontier. While the promise of wave energy is undeniable, there are still challenges to be met. One of the main obstacles is cost. Wave energy technologies are still relatively expensive to develop and deploy, compared with more mature renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Another challenge is the harsh marine environment. Corrosion caused by salt water and strong currents, and powerful storms pose significant technical challenges and require robust, durable technologies. In addition, the development of wave energy infrastructure requires careful consideration of its potential environmental impact. It is crucial to ensure that wave energy projects are designed and implemented in such a way as to minimize negative impacts on marine ecosystems. Finally, clear regulations and authorization processes are needed to facilitate the development and deployment of wave energy technologies. Section 7. Riding the wave of the future. Despite these challenges, the future of wave energy is promising. As technology advances and economies of scale are achieved, the cost of wave energy should fall, making it more competitive with other forms of energy. The global market for wave energy is set to grow significantly over the coming decades. This growth will be driven by the growing demand for clean energy, technological advances, and supportive government policies. The development of wave energy also represents a unique opportunity for innovation and job creation. As the industry matures, it will need skilled engineers, technicians, and researchers, creating new employment opportunities in coastal communities around the world. By harnessing the power of the waves, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable future for generations to come. Wave energy is not just a technological venture, but an investment in a healthier planet and a better future for all. Yasser Diab.